Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing an AI-friendly niche where content automation helps scale conversions. Think tools, SaaS, or high-ticket info products. Once done, validate demand with quick keyword checks and pick one affiliate program offering strong commissions or recurring payouts. Next, set up a lightweight landing page and analytics. This is your data source for AI optimizations. Make sure to link tracking ID and prepare a content calendar with topics tied to buyer intent, so AI can generate targeted drafts immediately. Now you build the conversion funnel using AI to create and test the assets that actually convert. Use an LLM to draft blog posts, scripts for short-form video, and 3 email sequences, then programmatically a/B test headlines and CTAs. Connect your autoresponder and tracking pixels so every interaction feeds performance data back to the model. Once the model sees conversion signals, iterate headlines, and offers faster than manual work. Make sure to treat AI output as drafts, refine tone, facts, and compliance before publishing. Finish by scaling what works and locking in profitability. Double down on top assets with paid amplification, and repurpose them into email, short video, and social snippets. Continuously optimize by feeding conversion results back into your AI prompts, so it improves headlines, hooks, and targeting. Track ROI closely. Aim for at least 3 times CAC or steady recurring revenue. If performance drops, troubleshoot tracking errors, data drift in model inputs, or creative mismatch between ad promise and landing experience. Fix those and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.